One thing about me, you blink, you miss a lot of things.
What's that piece right there, essentially? Is that what are we taking?
Plastic piece?
Yeah.
That's called it says so many fucking names for it. It's like the cold air intake, the air intake. So that's basically the tube. The intake is the tube.
Okay.
The manifold is this big ass piece that goes on top of the motor.
Oh, okay.
So the intake just is the tube that leads into the manifold.
All right.
And then the manifold disperses the air and fuel into the cylinders. So it divides it here.
Fair enough.
There's already some chingadera under there.
Oh, like it's fucked up, or what?
Some ghetto shit going on already here.
Really? What the fuck?
Got a little chichita already going on here, fool.
So I don't get why would someone put that? I didn't do it.
Probably had another plastic here.
Yeah.
This, you have to make sure no air goes in through here.
Okay.
Because the sensor is here, right? The one that measures how much air is going in.
Yeah.
If air is going in after the sensor, your truck starts to run like shit because it's getting a bad reading.
Oh.
If you have a hole before the sensor, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
After the sensor, it's bad. You don't want no holes.
Oh shit.
So we'll have to make sure this is completely sealed. I don't know. It looks like it might have like a little shit here.
Fuck it. So already off to a pretty good start then.
Hey man, that's the thing. Once you start doing car shit like this, sometimes shit pops up and it's like, sometimes you'll tell the customer like, hey, my shit wasn't like that.
Yeah,
like,
nah.
No, it is.
It's all starting to make sense.
Funny thing is, sometimes I get customers, they swear their cars are A1. I start taking it apart. Hey bro, it's bad. But my car was running fine, barely.
The gaskets look a little bad.
No, aftermarket.
Yeah, they're aftermarket. Well, we said that the motor got rebuilt.
When?
2011.
Hey, we had it on? We got this thing for a minute then.
Yeah. Well, I just rebuilt the transmission probably like a year ago.
Oh, it's not gonna last.
Nah. Ah, fuck.
But then the water hose.
What about the water hose? It's there. So she's fucking flexible, so she's just basically gonna sit here.
But this goes up.
I mean, at this point, until we get a custom intake with it, unless he orders other shit, we'll figure that out. But we can't do the Camaro with the spacer shit because it's just gonna fucking up the thing. And they don't make good fucking electric fast shit that work.
Oh my god, you are right. What's the thing about that?
I'm almost sure we can get away with it. Okay guys, on today's episode, we're gonna see John install this intake manifold.
Psych!
Well, that was the plan, but apparently...
Alright, so what happened was we're trying to install the intake manifold from MSD, the Airforce intake manifold. But it's lower than the truck one. In terms, we have to cut this, relocate it down here. Throttle body doesn't fit. We're gonna have to change the water pump because the throttle body hits the water neck, so we'll have to get the car one and some spacers so everything can line up to the truck one. And run aftermarket electric fans.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Let's do it. So why are you having a hard time explaining this, John? We need you to be a YouTube personality. We need you to be like, okay guys, we want to install this beautiful intake here, like, but we're having issues with the throttle body. It's supposed to go mounted here. Our issue is that this pulley is getting in the way, so we're gonna get a relocation bracket, put it down here. This water pump's also in the way, so we need car accessories. But that's gonna get rid of this, so we need electric fans also. It's not that hard, brother.
Shut the fuck up.
It couldn't be controlled until now. At last, the beastly power has been harnessed. Gohan has awoken. Now Cell will battle a warrior 11 years in the making on the next Dragon Ball Z.